Hi, my name is Chris Antes, a personal chef for the Chef for You to Have, and I'm here in beautiful El Cajon, San Diego, California at a shared commercial kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how to cook off some portobello mushrooms to use on a vegetable tray. So what I like to do is I grab a sheet pan, I'll put some foil on it, we'll add a little bit of oil on the bottom, and then we'll take some portobello mushrooms. I like to break out the stem, put that off to the side to be used up for something later. I've got another one over here that we'll just kind of roll around in there on the bottom. We'll add just a little bit more oil on top. And some salt and pepper. Okay, now we'll throw that in the oven at 350 for about 12 to 15 minutes, and we'll get some beautiful roasted portobello mushrooms. And then what I like to do, since this is going on a little vegetable tray, while the portobello has a lot of wonderful flavor still in it, I like to put it in this marinade that I have of balsamic vinegar, some Italian seasoning, and garlic. I just want to let it soak in there for about 15 minutes or so. Being that it's cooked, it'll absorb all the wonderful flavor in that vinegar. And then I'll take the whole mushroom cap and I kind of take my knife at a little bit of an angle and cut it so it'll kind of fan out like that. And then we'll put that on a tray with some other wonderful vegetables, and we can have another little dip or something else to go with it, but the mushrooms have a wonderful, absolute fantastic flavor.